Hey guys, this is Damien here on Meet Damien channel. About to do another live stream altcoins and coins that are other than Bitcoin, but are still cryptocurrencies. And I'm doing a video analysis here, looking at the charts for some various cryptocurrencies. And we'll start off here with AVAX, okay, or Avalanche. And you can see that Avalanche has topped out here at about $50 here, which is a cryptocurrency exchange. And Avalanche here topped out at $50 on around Christmas Eve of December of 2023. And we haven't been able to make it back up to that level. We've been on a downward trend here, making lower highs, lower high, lower high, and looks like we're making another lower high right here on the daily chart. We do have a new day here being created here for December 31st. And yeah, this daily candle here, we need that to get back above the 50-day moving average, which would be that green line. And this downward candle here, this red candle, is not looking good for the bulls here. Okay, but we did make a bullish hammer candle here back in on January 23rd, this Tuesday. Last Tuesday. And that was a reversal candle that did send us up to where we are right now, out of the high 20s and going up into the mid 30s here. But I do not like this trend here for the bulls here. We really need to get above that 50-day moving average here. And if we don't, then this is just gonna be another lower high, and we're just gonna have to see where we can get some more demand here on the for Avalanche. We need to get some more demand here, or else prices could go as low as in the 20s here, which was what we were contending up against back in November and December of 2023. So yeah, let's see if there's anybody here in the live stream. No one's here. Okay, all right. I want to move on to Solana here. See what Solana has done for the bulls and the bears here. Right. So let me just clean up this chart here a little bit. And as you can see that for Solana here, we were creating a bullish flag. Okay. And Solana needed to break out of that flag, which it looked like it did, and it broke it up to the upside. We broke out of that flag on the 24th of January, today being January 30th. And Solana was able to get above the 50-day moving average here, this green line, which is good. And if if we can just maintain above that green line as it trends upward here, that green 50-day moving average, that would be just a good support area for bulls to take long positions, and try to continue this momentum upward. But right now we do have a shooting star candle here, and this is for the bear case here. That shooting star red candle could send us back down. That shooting star candle is a reversal candle, and it could send us back down into the 80s or the 90s here. So be on the lookout for that. Could be a false bullish breakout here, which wouldn't be so good for the bulls, because we want an actual breakout, not a false breakout. Okay, So we'll see. I mean, we did have a hammer candle here, which is then getting rejected by a shooting star candle. So we might be range bound here, somewhere in between Solana being in the hot 100s, the low 100s, and Solana also being in the high 80s to $90 range here, going forward into the next couple of weeks here in crypto world. So with that being said, if I was the bull, I would wait for Solana to come down to the 50-day moving average, which is about the $94, $95 level, and try to get some buy orders in there. If I was a bear, I would start taking those short positions in right now, and I would take profit near the $90, $95 level here. If you want to push a little bit further, you could probably even bring it, if the price does go down to like the low 80s or mid 80s, I would do a take profit in that area as well if I was a bear on Solana. Okay. Let's just take a look at what the momentum's looking like here on the MACD. And you can see that if I zoom in a little bit, we do have some green candles here coming in on the MACD, which says that the momentum is bullish. But, if Bitcoin and the other coins start going down in cryptocurrency world, that green candle could then turn into a red candle very soon, going into the next few days here. I'm just looking at it from the bull and the bear case. Right now, it looks like the bulls have tried to defend Solana as best as they could, but the bears are trying to put up a fight and keep that price suppressed. And we'll see. We'll see who ends up winning the battle in the next few days here. But right now, it's in the bulls have the ball, and it's in their court, and it's their game to lose. As far as RSIs go, I mean, we are making higher lows and higher lows on the RSI level for Solana, which should indicate that the momentum is strong for the bulls. So the bulls got to keep it going. All right, let's try to check out this next cryptocurrency. We'll check out Ethereum. See what Ethereum has been doing for the bulls and the bears here. All right, guys, I'm just trying to fix the chart here a little bit. Put that down a little bit more. Okay, so let's just focus on the price here for Ethereum. And Ethereum made its most recent high here in January 12th of 2024, with a high being as high as $2,717, and that was about a day after the Bitcoin ETF came out. The news back then was saying that if Bitcoin got an ETF, then maybe Ethereum will get an ETF soon. But some recent news came out that the SEC delayed. They didn't deny. They delayed the ETF for ETF applications for some various companies that wanted to do an Ethereum ETF, and that did send Ethereum lower. After January 18th, we just made a red candle there, brought it down 2%, and then we made another nasty red candle here on Monday, January 22nd, which sent us down almost 6%. And just looking at the moving averages here, this green 50-day moving average is where Ethereum seems to be trying to average out its trading. It's trying to maintain that support. I do like the fact that the bulls have recently pushed the price back up onto that 50-day moving average, and they were able to close above it on January 30th. But this next day here, January 31st, we'll see how that candle goes. We got to maintain support. We got to stay above $2,334. If the bulls can keep it above that support level, we might see some more follow through and some more higher prices for Ethereum. But just looking at this recent price action here, we would like to see Ethereum get above 2,350, because then that would just give more credence to the fact that Ethereum is on a higher price trajectory. Let's just zoom out here. Let's go look at the weekly candles, see what Ethereum might be contending upon. If it does get back to its recent high of 2,700, what other levels could Ethereum see some resistance at? And I'm looking at resistance levels here at 2,000. There's some candle wicks here, 2,800. There's also the $3,000 psychological level for Ethereum. Some traders and investors are going to probably take profit in that area. But after $3,000, I mean, the next resistance area is going to be the psychological level of 4,000. Ethereum could shoot up from 3,000 to 4,000 in no time. And I would like to see that for the bulls. I also own some Ethereum myself, so I would like to see that. Could Ethereum get up to $3,000? I think that could happen in around May or June of 2024, when those ETFs that are being considered by the Security and Exchange Commission, I think those ETFs will possibly get approved by that time frame, and we could see Ethereum shoot up to $3,000 in April. Maybe April, May of 2024. All right. Let's move on to another cryptocurrency that you guys might have or might have not heard about, and that is Injective, the Injective protocol. And this has been a beast of a cryptocurrency all throughout 2023. It started as low here, as low as $6.39, and right now it's currently trading at $35. So that's a good 6-7x. It did get up as high as $45 in the first week of January of 2024, but it wasn't able to maintain that. It ended up closing around the $36 level. Let me just zoom in now here to the daily chart, see what that looks like here. So we're just getting basically we're getting a bullish flag here. No, I don't want to use that. Let's see. Yeah. No. I don't want that either. Sorry, guys, here. I just got to, yep. I want my trend line. There we go. Okay. So I see a flag is what you can call it. And we're just trading in a zone here. With the low level here being about $28, $30 for Injective, and the high being $43, $42. So if I was a bull, I would be trying to load up my positions here at that $30 level on Injective. If I see $30, I would try to buy some Injective, and then take profit at the $43. I would not try to short this cryptocurrency because it has the tendency to make some explosive gains, which it did all throughout 2023. But if I was to take a short on Injective protocol, I would try to do that near the $43 level, and I would probably put a tight stop loss at let's see where that candle would go. about $45. I would keep a tight stop loss at $45 if I was shorting this cryptocurrency. And then try to enter in on my short at $43. But if I was shorting this cryptocurrency, which it's in the neutral zone, being in the middle of this this flag here, it's not really bullish or bearish. But if you were to force me to go bearish and take a short position, then yeah, I would currently I would enter in that short here at $35, and I would probably put a stop loss near these near the top of these candles here, about $39. And then I would be trying to take profit at that $30 level if I was to be shorting Injective here. But I would not want to be shorting this cryptocurrency for any time longer, because as soon as Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies start making a move up, this thing's going to start to explode up in price again. And we do have some bearish momentum here on the MACD, but it's starting to wane. So we could start seeing this cryptocurrency start going up in price here. And where could it go? We just do not know, because if it goes above that $45 level that it made back in January 9th here, I mean, that's price discovery. That's uncharted no man's land. That's like, we have no idea. You just sit back, you sit tight, and you just enjoy your profits and your gains, because that's price discovery zone for Injective. So if Injective does do that, kudos to the bulls and praise to the bears. But let's move on to another cryptocurrency here. We're going to check out Ripple. Ripple USD. Ripple. Let's see. That's not a good chart here. Give me a second. Let's try Ripple on Binance Network. All right. Ripple. What are you doing, Ripple? Is what I want to say. This is not looking good at all. I mean, ever since we made that high back in July of 2023, we got up to $93. No, sorry, not $93, 93 cents on Ripple. It's just been lower high. And we're barely on life support here, holding at the 50-cent level here. If the Ripple bulls are not able to help maintain this support here at the 50-cent level, and we start trending down below 50 cents, I would not want to be owning Ripple, because we could rip down to as low as, see how low that candle went, 40 cents. We can get down to about 40 cents here on Ripple. Possibly even lower to about 35 cents back in early 2023. But Ripple does have, it looks like Ripple hasn't gone lower than 30 cents. So, I mean, if I was a bear, I would not get too greedy trying to short that cryptocurrency. I would start taking profits at 30 cents, 35 cents, maybe even 40 cents. Yeah, if the bull's unable to defend 50 cents, look out below, because you could see 40 cents or even 35 or 30 cents with Ripple. Ripple is currently trading below the 50-day and the 200-day on the moving averages here. With the moving averages, 200-day moving average is at 58 cents, and same thing with the 50-day moving average. So, not looking good, Ripple. You need some good news, some catalyst to help you get back up there. But I would not be a long-term investor of Ripple. It just, looking at this chart, it's just nasty. It's barely trailing up, which is giving very little hope for the longs and the bullish, the bulls for Ripple. But this is just sad to look at, to be honest. I hope you guys get some more good news, because you need it. If you're a bull, Ripple bull, you're gonna need all the good news you can get. All right, let's see if there's any other cryptocurrency here I can look at. Let's look at Cardano. Cardano. What have you been doing lately, Cardano? So, yeah, I have to delete some work here that I've done on this chart. But Cardano was doing a bull flag here back in December of 2023. Got as high as 69 cents. What a nice number, huh? But it's been making lower highs ever since then, with this supply line here just trending it down, and it needed to break out of that bull flag in the towards the last week here of January, but it didn't, and it looks like it's actually breaking down. That's not good for those Cardano bulls and investors. We need to see Cardano do some repair and some recovery work here. It needs to get above that 50-day moving average, which is trading at about 56 cents. So if we can see Cardano get up to 56 cents, I would be a bull again for Cardano. But I would not be too hopeful there, because it looks like this thing wants to break down and stay down. If I was a Cardano short seller, I would take a short here right now, and I would probably put the well, if you want to keep it a tight stop loss, I would put the stop loss at 53 cents. Well, the top of this red candle at 54 cents. But looking at this 50-day moving average here, I would probably put another stop loss probably at 55 cents. Because if it does start getting up to 56 cents, then the bulls have reclaimed their cryptocurrency, and it looks like it's going to want to go to higher prices after that, especially after making this bull pennant here, this descending triangle. So if we do break down, I would try to start taking profit. As a short seller, I'd be taking profit at 39.40 cents if I was shorting this cryptocurrency. And we do have some support at the 36 cent level, with the 200-day moving average giving some support here for the Cardano investors. So yeah, I would be taking profit there if I was a short seller. But I wouldn't get too greedy. This could be a profitable short. Could be profitable short. I would definitely not get too greedy. I would be, if I was shorting Cardano right now, I'd be taking profit at 45 cents. But you could take profit near 38 cents and also down near 36 cents if I was trying to short sell Cardano. Yeah, if you guys like this video, go ahead and click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed to it already. And if you have any friends of yours that could benefit from this chart analysis, go ahead and share this video with them. Appreciate it if you guys want to share it on your social media websites as well. I'm just looking at for this last analysis here on Cardano, I'm just looking at the retracement here. I did a Fibonacci retracement, and Cardano needs to get to the 0.236 level. It needs to get up to 90 cents as its first price target. If I was a bull on Cardano, I'd be taking profits at 90 cents if we do start going up to higher prices. And then, of course, the next level would be the 0.382 level, and I would take profits at $1.32 if I was a Cardano bull. And that would pretty much double your investment in Cardano if it gets up to that price with Cardano currently trading at 51 cents. Let's see. I think I'm gonna call that a video, guys. That was my altcoin live stream. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, if you like this video, go ahead and like it, and if you could share it with your friends and family, that'd be great as well. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. And I like doing videos like this, so please go ahead and be on the lookout. If you're a subscriber of mine, thank you, I appreciate that. And be on the lookout for another altcoin live stream. I'm Damien, and this has been another video on the Meet Damien channel. Hope you guys have a great week coming up with you guys. Take care.